I literally spent years trying to figure it out on my own, bought all sorts of shiny objects. I'll never forget just doing the simple things. I forgot about it. I did it. I forgot about it. And I went back to studying and implementing and continuing my education at ClickBank University. A few weeks later, I forgot about it. I popped back into my ClickBank account, and there was hundreds of dollars there. And that first check was the happiest day of my life in affiliate marketing because it proved to me what was actually possible. Now, I like the fact that CBU provides the conceptual knowledge as well as the practical, hands-on, nuts and bolts technical information that you need when you're first starting out. They have a great portal. They have instructional videos where you look over the shoulder so you can see exactly how to do things. They have great support. And in my opinion, there's simply no better place to start.